In this video, I will show you how you get paid $400 a day by simply watching YouTube videos. How does it work? Well, you are about to find out that. And if you follow through this video till the end, you will know how to set up this brand new strategy that I found for absolutely free. This is a brand new website that will pay you just to watch YouTube videos. You can sign up absolutely free, and they even have an app so you can do this even with your smartphone device. And all you have to do is click view, watch the video and collect your earnings. And I want you to know that this works worldwide and you can withdraw your money from several methods such as PayPal and bank transfer. I know we all spend hours watching YouTube videos, so I spent some time to research the web and came across some of the best platforms that we never talked about before. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into my laptop. So as I said earlier, today we'll be using some absolutely free platforms in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. So make sure to stay until the end. So first you have to go to zareclamy.com. It's zareklamy.com and sign up. But wait, just before you sign up, let me walk you through this website. So as it says, make money online on the phone, computer or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investments. So this works on your smartphone device, computer or tablet, and you can get paid wherever you are. That means this works worldwide. You can download, for iOS users, you can download from the App Store. For Android users, you can download from the Google Play Store. And so first you should get registered to this. Click registration and you can sign up with either Google or Microsoft, or you can manually sign up by entering your email or password. So I'll just sign up with Google, and this is your dashboard. So here you can see the estimated earnings today so far, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, and the balance. First of all, you should obviously verify your email here. Then what you have to do is to go to earn, and these are the ways that you can get paid. You can choose the method of the earning, leave engagement on social media, play games, fill out surveys, browse websites, write comments, create accounts, subscribe to newsletters, online shopping, watch videos. So this is really a good way to make money online because it doesn't require a lot of work from your side. It just requires a click of a button. You don't have to spend hours while completing surveys, and in this case, you don't have to spend hours while completing surveys and offers. You can click and do something else while your earnings are rising in the website. So here I recommend watching videos, and if you like, you can do other things as well. Well, writing reviews and filling out surveys will pay you more money, but it will obviously take time. So if you prefer, go for it. Furthermore, you also get paid to leave engagement on social media. So you can scroll down and see, you can do YouTube views, you can subscribe, you can like, you can follow, like, watch Instagram videos, like Facebook pages, Facebook likes. You can do that in TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Spotify, SoundCloud, Twitch, Google Play, App Store, Contacted, Tumblr, Vimeo, Product Hunt, Medium, Quora. You got tons of offers here. So in general, you can get paid to like posts, like videos, watch videos, leave comments, and so on and so forth. You may wonder, you can watch YouTube videos out here, and there's another button over here saying watch videos. This means when you're using a smartphone device and when you're using the app, the iOS or the Android app, you can press this button to watch videos and earn. Most of the videos are not boring and you can even learn something and entertain yourself from them while making some money. But it's up to you. If you prefer, you can watch, and if not, just open the video and do something else. And each time you watch a video, your earnings in the dashboard right here will update. The more you click on the videos, the more you watch them, the more money you'll be able to make. It's really a great website where you can make some decent amount of money. This is relatively new app that not a lot of people know about, so I highly recommend you jump on it before it becomes oversaturated. You guys are getting some value out of this video, and if so, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, as I always say, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tapping on that bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. The next website is timebucks.com. So as it says, get paid to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete captchas, post on Instagram, answer surveys. And when you scroll down, each day we run a competition where the top 5 earners win a nice bonus. Start earning instantly, no approval process required for new signups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. They even have a referral program. We have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer and advertising deposits they make. So in this case, you can refer this to your family or friends, or if you are running a YouTube channel, as I always say, you can do a tutorial and give your link down below. Don't worry, I'm not giving my referral link to you. And weekly payouts, we pay everyone weekly with 5 different payment methods, friendly support staff. They will help you 24/7. You can just sign up via Facebook, which is the easiest way, or else you can enter your email and give a password manually and tick this "I'm not a robot" and log in here. You have to do the same thing in this website as well. I'm not gonna take your time by logging in and showing you how to click and how to open new tabs and all. That's a waste of time. Now I'll give you a bonus tip for those who didn't skip a second of this video. You can go to these 2 sites every day before you go to sleep. Open up all the available videos in new tabs and sleep. All the videos will be played while you sleep. By the time you wake up, you'll see the updated earnings on your dashboard. And anyways guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to check out the YouTube automation masterclass, the link down in the description. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I'll be answering all of your questions. Don't forget to share this with your mates, and if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below for sure guys. And on your screen right now, there are 2 free tutorials for you. You can check those out as well, and thank you for watching.